Hello and welcome to Livegistics. Today, we will walk through a tutorial of the Livegistics Manifest Platform as a civil contractor. You should have received an email similar to the one shown on the screen with a link to our app so that you can log in for the first time. Our system will then ask you to enter in a password. The password that you create should have at least 8 characters and must contain lowercase and uppercase letters along with one number. After you created your unique password, you will then be redirected back to the login screen where you can enter in your email address and the password that you just created. After entering your login information, you will then read and agree to the license agreement for Livegistics. From there, you can see all of the projects that you have access to. For this tutorial, I'm going to select the first project. On this screen, you can select a date or hit the X to show all the manifests in this project. Here you can see the check marks. When you hover over them, they show the username and timestamp of when the generator signed the manifest, when the driver took the manifest, and finally, when the scale attendant signed it as it went across the scale. I'm going to click on one of these. Here you can see the entire manifest along with all of the information and signatures. There are also some additional filters that you can utilize. You can filter to see all of the unused manifests. You can filter to see only the manifests a generator has signed but a driver has not taken yet. You can also look at the signed and completed manifests, along with any voided or any manifests that were rejected by the scale house. You can create additional manifests by typing in the number that you wish to create and hit the Create button, and that will notify the owner of the project and/or the generator to sign these additional manifests for your project. As a contractor, when a truck pulls up in front of the gate and is ready to leave, and they do not have the Livegistics app, you can manually assign them a manifest. To do this, you will first select the trucking company, and you can optionally enter in the information of a carrier if they have a broker. Next, you will type in the truck number along with the capacity. When the manifest crosses the scale attendant will see the name of the driver as well as the information entered above. Since I manually assigned this manifest to a truck who may not have the Livegistics app, I'm going to manually type the driver's name and pass my smart device to the driver to sign. Once this process is complete, we are going to come back to the manifest registry. Next, we will look into reporting functionality. On the Reports screen, you can see your KPI dashboard. The KPI dashboard allows you to track all of the manifest metrics in the project. In this tutorial, there are 2,585 manifests used in total, with 223 being used this month, 13 this week, and 13 used today. If you click on Manifest Registry, it will open up a similar registry to the one we saw on the previous screen. I can select the 3 dots, click on Export, and you are able to export your entire list as a CSV, Excel, or Google Sheet file. This concludes our tutorial. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to click on the chat widget inside of the Livegistics app to speak to a Livegistics support representative. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Have a great day.